Melisa's Daily Habits. Hello, friends. My name is Melisa, and I am a student in New York. Today, I want to tell you about my daily habits, and you can write yours in the comments. I always start my day with a glass of water. I like nice sunny days. I open the window in the morning. I make my bed every day and tidy my room a little because I don't like mess in my room. When I open the window, I take a deep breath and smile. I make small movements or do some morning exercises. After that, I go to the kitchen and make my breakfast. I drink my tea slowly and eat fried eggs or a cheese toast. I never skip breakfast because breakfast is an important meal of the day. I choose simple clothes for the day and I check the weather before I go out. I love walking to the bus stop. Sometimes I listen to soft music while walking, but usually I like to look around, watch people, and see how the city wakes up in the morning. I like to notice small, nice things. When I get off the bus, I say thank you to the driver. I try not to rush and smile at people I meet. You know, Americans smile a lot. After my university classes, I come back to my dorm. I take short breaks during the day. Sometimes I visit the library and do my homework there. I drink water regularly. I also carry a small snack like nuts or dried fruits with me. I try to eat healthy food, but sometimes I enjoy a burger too. Haha. I enjoy a warm cup of herbal tea in the afternoon. Sometimes I read a book or walk in the park. I enjoy watching the sky while walking. Sometimes I take photos when I see something beautiful around me. It's autumn now, and the weather is rainy very often. So I take my umbrella with me when I go out. I try to walk at least 20 minutes a day. I choose comfortable shoes because I care about myself. In the evening, I like to write down new ideas or my thoughts in my notebook. I take care of my plants and water them regularly. I love learning something new. For example, it can be a new foreign language. Sometimes I light a small candle in my room to create a special atmosphere. I enjoy quiet moments. Before bed, I wash my face gently and comb my hair carefully. I put on my face cream. Before going to bed, I sometimes think about the next day. I make plans and set a simple goal for tomorrow. I open my window for fresh air for a few minutes. I turn off bright lights. Before sleep, I also think about what made me happy. I am learning to be grateful for every day, even if the day wasn't very good. I try to focus on good things and let go of stress. I thank God for this day. Good night. Useful vocabulary. Mess. A place that is not clean or organized. To tidy. To make something clean and organized. Movement. A small action you make with your body. Skip. To not do something you usually do. Notice. To see or observe something small or interesting. Get off. To leave a bus, train, or other transport. Snack. A small food you eat between meals. Herbal, tea. Made from plants, not from black or green tea leaves. At least, not less than this amount. Put on. To wear clothes, cream, makeup, etc. Turn off a sow. To stop the light, device, or machine from working. focus on, to pay attention to something important. Friends, please leave your like and subscribe to my channel if you like this story.